Hello guys, welcome to my Igbo class. Today we are learning some three-letter words in Igbo. Aka, hand. Iko, cup. Eze, teeth. Eze, king. Nna, father. Nne, mother. Mma, good. Mma, knife. Oge, time. Elu, up. Ụlọ, house. Ọrụ or ọlụ, work. Ebe, place. Azụ, back. Ndụ, live. Afọ or arọ, year. Afọ, stomach. Ahụ, body. Aha, name. Ụzọ, way. Nso, near. Ihe or ife, light. Ihe or ife, something. Azụ, fish. Unu, you all. Thank you and see you in the next class.